Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are the luckiest batch. You are having the expert guide of industry per person. Okay, all of you compulsory attend the 4 to 6. Okay, it is compulsory for A and B division also. Okay, don't make absenteeism. Okay, yes, जेवढी माहिती असेल, जेवढं टेक्नॉलॉजी परफेक्ट करता येईल, जेवढी आत्ताच करून घ्या. ओके, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू करियर इन AI ML, compulsory to learn math Python. It is compulsory for you. Okay, yes, wait for a minute. Okay, we will start the session. Yes, compulsory attend the training program. It is our batch. Okay, Python compulsory to attend all session. Okay, if you are having any doubt, in session, okay, I am also in there for your training session. I am attending training program. Okay, I am attending all program in your Python programming. Okay, all of you attend sincerely. If you want to career in AI ML, must be perfect firm in your Python programming. Okay, if you want to career in data scientist, AI, ML, it is compulsory to you learn Python programming. Okay, yes. Then also it is some of the background of Java, so it is important. No any issues. Okay, we will start our session. Yes. Today's agenda is method overriding. Yes. Second one, abstraction. And next one, polymorphism. Okay, we will continue our session. Wait for a minute. Join fast. Okay. In inheritance, we will complete our method overriding part. Okay. What is mean by method overriding? All of you know about inheritance example. Yes, all of you know about inheritance example. Grandparents inherit the property of fathers. Yes, grandparents. Okay, grandparents. Sorry, grandparent property inherit our parents. Yes, and then parents property inherit from child. Yes, it is a inheritance example. Same as a method overriding. Okay, if it is having the base class and derived class, Base class is your father. Okay. All of you see this screen. Is it visible to you? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Father's property inherit to son. Okay. Father used to transport our used to transport one side to another side. Use cycle. Okay. Then son also inherit same cycle to transport one to another place. Yes. Suppose father want to go any place, then use cycle. Using the cycle. Yes, method is use cycle. Yes, son also inherit same method. Okay, if we're not having bike, yes, not having the bike, use it same inherit the property of father cycle. Yes, father is a method derived son is derived the property of father. Okay. Yes, all of you understood? And method overriding, it is a most important part. Method name should be same. Okay, and in number of argument also same. In method overriding. Okay, overriding. Okay. Yes, all of you understood this much part. Method overriding. We will see the program also. Yes. इनहेरिटन्स पार्ट मध्ये मेथड ओव्हररायडिंग येत आहे. ओके. मेथड ओव्हररायडिंग काय आहे? आपण एखादी फादरची प्रॉपर्टी सन इनहेरिट करत आहे. ओके. पण सेम मेथड सेम क्लास विल इनहेरिट. ओके. येस, तेवढंच आहे मेथड ओव्हररायडिंग मध्ये. ओके. वी विल सी दी प्रॅक्टिकल डेमो. Practical demo of method overriding. All of you see this diagram? या डायग्राम मधून क्लिअर कट झालं का? फादर्स प्रॉपर्टी इनहेरिट सन. येस, बट फादर यूज टू सायकल टू one place to another place. Okay, then son property same, son also same, doing same part. Okay, son also use cycle, otherwise bike. If you are having the bike, use it bike, otherwise inherit same property using father. Okay, yes, all of you understood this much part? Yes, and same note of it, method name should be same in method overriding, and method argument number of arguments same in method overriding. Okay, दोन्ही पण पार्ट सेम असतात मेथड ओव्हररायडिंग मध्ये. मेथड नेम आणि नंबर ऑफ आर्ग्युमेंट. ओके. येस, ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड? येस. Yes, all of you understood this much part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then all of you go for our previous program. We will discuss yesterday inheritance, 3 inheritance program, single, multi-level, multiple. Okay. Then we will discuss today method overriding program. Okay. We practice to write comments. Okay. Then all of you understood what is our program information. Okay, method overriding. Yes, suppose class name. What is my class name? Father. Yes, base class name father. Yes. Then definition, define function. What will be method used here? Transport. Yes, मेथड कोणती यूज केली आहे आपण इथे? ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन. येस, ट्रान्सपोर्टेशनची मेथड यूज केलेली आहे. इथे लिहायचं ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन. ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन Okay, and self is a compulsory parameter to pass. Okay, print, use it, cycle. Yes. Next one, create the object is equal to father. Okay, and then obj dot transportation. Okay, and run this program. Spelling. Okay, cycle should be your output. Okay, means father's property should be displayed. Yes, then we will define another class, derived class. What is our derived class? Here, derived class कोणता आहे आपल्या इथे? Yes, all of you, tell me fast. Son. Yes, we will derive the property son. Okay, father. Yes, then define same function, transportation. Yes, self parameter, then print here by. Okay, run this program. Why? Only father's property inherit. Okay, then we will write it here, son. Latest. Okay, what happened here? Only bike property inherit. Why? Because overriding our father's property to son. Yes, then only our output should be print bike. Okay, म्हणजे आपण फक्त ओव्हरराइड करतो आहे फादर्स प्रॉपर्टी टू सन, म्हणून इथे मेथड ओव्हरराइडिंग पॉसिबल होतं. ओके, मीन्स ओव्हरराइड द मेथड टू अनदर क्लास. Okay, means father's property we will overriding to son class. Son. Yes, that's why only bike should be print in your output. Okay, yes, all of you understood this much part? Yes. Yes, means overriding means what? We will override the method. Yes, to another class. आपण override करतो एक मेथड तर अनदर क्लास मध्ये. ओके, म्हणजे एक आपण फादर आणि सन घेतला क्लास, दोन सेपरेट क्लास घेतले. येस, ऍब्सोल्युटली राईट. देन we will define the function transportation. Same method, same argument. Yes, and then print cycle. Then another class we will define class son. Then we will override our parent class. Yes, our base class father means override the father property to another class. Okay, and then also having the same method, same argument, and then print bike object is equal to son. Obj dot transportation means our override our one property to another class. Okay, using same method and same argument. Okay, it is compulsory to method overriding. Okay, same method, same argument, we will add in method overriding. Okay, yes. Listen carefully. In Java also having method overriding, same concept. Yes, Python also having the same concept, method and argument passing. It is same in method overriding in two language. Okay, no any issue. But you are having the clear concept, clear concept to how to add method. Okay, yes, son will be inherit the base class. Okay, yes, all of you understood this much part? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we will go for our next point. I will repeat it once again. In yesterday's session, we will see inheritance. Yes, inheritance is a best example. What is our best example of inheritance? Yes, anyone tell me what is our best example of inheritance? Yes. Yes, anyone? Anyone tell me the definition of inheritance? Yes. Yes. Inheritance means what? We can inherit the property or method of another class. Okay, we can inherit. Yes. Yes, absolutely right. We can access, we can inherit the property of parent class. Yes, means same concept into method overriding. मेथड ओव्हररायडिंग मध्ये पण सेम कॉन्सेप्ट आहे, फक्त चेंज काय आहे, मेथड नेम शुड बी सेम अँड आर्ग्युमेंट शुड बी सेम. येस, we can pass the method and argument, it is same. Okay, for example in Marathi, father चे गुण स्टुडंट मध्ये येणार, मीन्स चाइल्ड मध्ये येणार. येस, absolutely right. Father use father तर एका कामासाठी यूज म्हणजे इट इज वर्किंग प्लेस. यूज इट सायकल, यूज इट बाईक. फादर यूज इट सायकल और बाईक. येस, टू गो युअर वर्क प्लेस, गो फॉर युअर वर्क प्लेस. येस, मग सेम कंडिशन, चाइल्ड पण तेच प्रॉपर्टी इनहेरिट करणार. येस, येस और नो? येस और नो? सन पण तेच प्रॉपर्टी यूज करणार की नाही? सपोज सन want to go any place, another place, then use it same cycle, same method, same property to go to another place. Yes, am I right? Yes, समजलं? Yes. 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 समजलं का तुम्हाला? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we will go for our next point. Okay. Then we will see our next point, abstraction. Yes. For example, what is the simple definition of abstraction? Yes. Abstraction ची simple definition काय आहे? Yes. Yes. Abstraction ची simple definition काय आहे? Yes, it is so much popular question. Yes. जावा मध्ये पण तुम्हाला झालं असेल. Yes or no? Then tell me what is the abstraction?
Ma'am, abstraction means hiding the unnecessary details from the user.
Yes, absolutely right, Vedangi. Yes. And then popular example in nowadays smartphone. Yes, only your usable application is for your friend. Yes, it is not available, not visible, your storage space, not visible for you. Any internal functionality, it is not visible for you. Yes, smartphone. Only you can operate your apps, any apps like voice recorders, camera, and calling dialing. Yes, it is only for your personal, you should be visible, function should be working. Okay, internal functionality should be not for, it is hidden. Yes, it is hidden. Internal functionality should be hidden only for your functional, it is working for your. Yes, absolutely right. For example, your smartphone, it is your abstraction, is the best example, your mobile phone. Okay, hiding the data. Yes, absolutely right. Okay, means for example, your smartphone only used for camera, voice recorder, call dialing. Only functional apps should be visible for you, and unnecessary hidden data should be internal storage data should be hidden. Yes, in mobile. Yes, absolutely right. Yes. Yes. Then we will go for our program. How to define abstraction in Java? Yes, anyone tell me how to define abstraction in Java? Yes. Using which keyword you can define the abstraction? Using which keyword you can define the abstraction? Yes.
Abstract.
Yes, absolutely right. And same method you can define in Python. Okay, no any change. Abstraction should be defined using abstract keyword. Okay, same in Python. Okay, we will see the program. Okay, we will see the program first. Wait for a minute. We will go for our abstraction method. All of you know about modulo import. Yes, we can import module. Yes, then we can import, for example, ABC module in your program. Okay, import ABC. Yes. Abstract method. Yes, in the Python, you should be define abstract method. Okay. Then class car. Car is one object. Yes. Then pass it ABC module. We will not pass a, and next will define the one function mileage. Okay. Then self. We will not define any, print any message. We will pass it. Okay, directly pass it the function. First pass it string hi. Okay. Then another class, you define class as tell me any car name. Okay, suppose you are having Maruti. Yes. And inherit the property of car. Yes. Car is your parent. Okay. Then DF mileage. The mileage is 25 kilometer per hour. Okay. And then another class, you define it here, Suzuki. Okay. I don't know Suzuki. Yes, Suzuki. And same, you can inherit only parents method. Okay. Parent property. Okay. DF, sorry. You also tell me here is mistake. Yes. Print the mileage of 25 kilometer per hour. Okay. Then DF mileage self print the mileage of 35 kilometer per hour. Okay. Then we can define the object. Yes, we can declare the object. Yes or no? Then you can define the object Maruti. Yes. Then D dot Maruti. D dot mileage. Okay, we can call the method. Yes. Then next R is equal to Suzuki Suzuki. Yes. Then call it r dot mileage, then what happened here? Something. Wait for a minute. We will check it. We can pass it directly here. Pass. Yes. And what happened? Okay. Having this spelling mistake. Okay. Having the same method. Self is missing. Why? Okay, no any issue. We will go for here. Okay, yes. Yes, it self, comma, car. Okay, save it. Run this model. Wait. Yes. You can pass it here. Wait for class. and mileage is here, then self pass then close it. Same here कायती
In second mileage, spelling mistake is there.
yes okay, save this, change, run this. No, the same name.
Ma'am, brackets after T is equal to Maruti.
Maruti, yes. Okay, run this program, no any issue, 25 kilometer per hour and then mileage of 35 kilometer per hour, okay? And abstraction, same in Java, you can define it Python, yes? From ABC, we can import any module, your choice. If you want to import XYZ, no any issue, only for your supporting module, if you want to module import ABC, okay? From ABC, import ABC, comma, abstract method. Okay, using abstract class, you can define any method in your program, okay? And class car, okay, it is our class, our object, okay? Car ABC, then DF mileage self, okay? Then pass. I will not pass any argument, but we can run it this car method, okay? Car class. Then class Maruti, car inherit the property of car. Then DF function mileage self. Then print mileage 25 kilometer per hour. Okay, next one class Suzuki. Okay, then mileage self print the mileage of 35 kilometer per hour. Okay, we can define like this in abstraction. Okay, from ABC import ABC abstract method. ABC म्हणजे तुम्हाला काही तुम्हाला प्रिंट मॉड्यूल इम्पोर्ट करायचं असेल XYZ ABC X मीन्स CDB काही इम्पोर्ट करू शकता. फक्त तुमच्यावर आहे काय मॉड्यूल कोणतं इम्पोर्ट करायचं आहे. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ abstract method we can import it first, then use it in your program. त्यासाठी यूज करायचं. ओके, क्लास कार ABC DF function mileage self parameter we can pass it for reference purpose. Then pass class Maruti car, we can inherit the property of car class. Then Maruti also one version of car. Okay, then mileage self print mileage of 25 kilometer per hour. Then class Suzuki car DF mileage self print the mileage 35. Okay, all of you understood this much part? Yes, yes.
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
want to, yes, if you want to change the parameter here, method here, you can change it. But parent class only inherit. Okay, only inherit parent class here. Okay, because of method overriding, it is the same formula in abstraction. Okay, only we can change it method. We cannot change its argument. Okay, also same method, same argument should be there. Yes, same method, yes, same method and same argument. Yes, see here. Yes, mile self, method mile self. Yes, yes or no? Yes, and see here. Yes, yes. See here. Huh. Highlighted this point. All of you see this screen? Very clear to you, my screen? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mile self. It is our method overriding concept. Okay. Abstraction is also one concept in OOPS. Yes? We can see the abstraction concept. Yes? Mileage, method and self is our parameter. It is the same in our program. See here. Yes? Mileage, self. Yes? See? And all of you concentrate in your spelling mistake and colon. Okay, if you are having white spacing error, then also output it is your error. Okay, then concentrate your spelling mistake and white spacing. Okay, if you want, you write it here, see clearly and write it. Okay, yes. Then we will go for our next point. Yes, polymorphism. Yes, they are having the different forms. No any having कोणीच असा क्वेश्चन विचारला नाही, why method overloading not possible in Python. Yes, method overloading possible आहे का Python मध्ये? Yes, already you are over training. Yes, anyone know about method overloading? It is possible in Python. Because of inheritance, we will cover method overriding concept. Yes. Then method overloading possible in Python. Anyone give me the answer? Because of already you are over the training. Yes. Then method overloading possible आहे का Python मध्ये? Yes. Give me the answer. Yes, absolutely right. Reshma, 44 roll number. Yes. Why it is not possible? Why it is not possible? Yes. I will not write it here. I will write it in your PPT because of it is most important point in your OOPS concept. Okay. Why it is method overloading? It is not possible. Yes. We will see the first polymorphism and then we will go for method overloading. Okay. Miss, what is meant by polymorphism? They are having many form. Yes, they are having many form. Like we will, for example, if having the length function, it will be used for function also. we can use it data type also, list, tuple, dictionary. Yes, we can write it length function in 3 types. Yes, list, tuple, dictionary. Yes, they are having how many form? 3 form. List, tuple, dictionary. Yes, in polymorphism. For example, real-time example of polymorphism. Yes, they are having so many forms. Yes, different forms. Yes, your own student. You are the student. You are the someone child. Yes, some of the sister. कोणाची तरी sister असणार. Yes, some of the brothers also having a form of your. Yes, brother, sister, child. Yes, student. Yes, yes or no? You are having so many form. Yes or no? Yes, Vedangi, Sakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, but that's in the technical way, you can define one function in many form. Yes, if you define the function length. ओके, आता मी तुम्हाला एक टास्क देते, लेंथ फंक्शन आहे, पण ते डिफाईन कसे करायचे तुम्हाला डेटा टाइप मध्ये, कोणत्या? लिस्ट, टपल, डिक्शनरी. येस, लेंथ फंक्शन यूज करून 3 टाइप यूज करा, लिस्ट, टपल, डिक्शनरी. ओके, एवढाच एक टास्क पूर्ण करा. इज इट ओव्हर फॉर मी? पॉलिमॉर्फिझम म्हणजे occurrence from different form. We will see the program also. Yes, but in having the program of polymorphism, wait for a minute, we will see it. We will see it method overloading program. Okay, but we will all of you complete the task of polymorphism using length function, define list, tuple, and dictionary. Okay, this task is over. Then we will go for our method overloading. Why it is not possible in Python? Okay, yes, go for it. You are having the 10 minutes time. Do it, the program. Only one length function, use it, and list, tuple, and dictionary. Perform 3 tasks, data type task. Okay, is it okay? Yes, yes, yes or no? Take a test. Move this, type it here. Okay. We will see it first one. Yes, anyone complete it? Polymorphism task. Yes. 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 Anyone want to share your screen? Using length function, use it data type, list, tuple, and dictionary. Yes. All of you complete this program. Yes. Yes, Vedangi, Amruta, Prapti. Yes, anyone complete it? Vaishnavi, Meenakshi, Pronoti, Kosti, Saili. Yes, completed. Yes, listen carefully. I'm okay. No problem. I'm doing the program of polymorphism first. Okay. Write it. Statement, comment, function. Using function, use data type. Data type. All of you see this screen? Yes. Then print only length function. Length function. Programize. Okay. Programize or programming. Programming. Okay. And then run it this program length function L1. Okay. Then we will define the print next length list. Okay. Python, Java, Oracle. Yes. Then run it 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Then dictionary. Print length function A colon 1. Okay. Then B colon 2. Okay. Then run it 2, 1 and 2. Means we will define only length function. Same function. But how many different methods is here? List. Yes. List, tuple and dictionary. Yes. 3 different methods. Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Am I correct? तीन सेमच फंक्शन यूज केलेलं आहे लेंथ फंक्शन पण आपण ते किती मेथडने डिफाइन केलं येस येस 3 different मेथडने आपण ते डिफाइन केलं येस मीन्स वी कॅन हॅव्हिंग डिफरंट फॉर्म ऑफ one function yes then we can define method overloading okay we are going to method overloading part why it is not run in your program okay see here, I will take it here, method overloading. method overloading. Okay. Why? I'm writing here theory. Okay. If you want to take it screenshot of it. Okay. A way to create multiple methods. Okay. With same name but different argument is not possible in Python. Okay. Then second, may overload the method, but can only use latest defined method. Okay. We will see it in. Okay. आता जावा मध्ये मेथड ओव्हरलोडिंगचा कन्सेप्ट काय आहे, थेरी सांगा तुम्ही. येस, एनीवन टेल मी थेरी ऑफ मेथड ओव्हरलोडिंग इन जावा. येस. जावा मध्ये मेथड ओव्हरलोडिंगची थेरी सांगा मला. टेल मी थेरी ऑफ जावा मेथड ओव्हरलोडिंग इन जावा. येस. येस. Please tell me. Yes.
Multiple methods has same name but different.
येस येस, तुम्ही मराठीत सांगा, काहीच प्रॉब्लेम नाहीये. आपण काही बोलू शकतो. आपल्या लेक्चर मध्ये आपण फक्त टेक्निकल शुड बी क्लिअर. ओके, नो एनी इश्यू इन टेक्निकल पार्ट. ओके. आता सांगा तुम्ही, काही घाबरू नका, आपण बिंदास्त बोलायचं. ओके. इफ यू हॅव्हिंग फ्री, आय एम आस्किंग टू यू क्वेश्चन. नो नीड टू टेल इन मराठी, इंग्लिश, एनी लँग्वेज you have sufficient. Tell me the answer. Okay, but you can speak up, it is important. You can speak up, it is important. No necessary in language. Yes, speak up. What is method overloading? Yes. Yes, Reshma. Right now, who is talking with me? Vaishnavi. Pratnya. Yes.
In
Yes.
Java,
Yes. Bola.
just have same name but different arguments.
Yes. Same name but different argument. In Python, all of you know about, we can pass it one parameter. Yes, means one argument, but it is same. Condition is same. We can pass it different method, but we cannot pass it different argument in Python. That's why we will not possible in Python in method overloading. Okay. If it is possible, but we cannot override means we can maybe overload it method, but only let us define method. If you define sun method, okay, it let us, then only output should be displayed as a sun method, not a parent method. Okay, we will do it the program here. Okay, having the product. Only function program, okay, because of you should be understood. Okay, df product a comma b, p is equal to a into b. Okay, we can pass it a comma b argument. Yes, then df product a comma b comma c, they're having different arguments. Yes, then a into b into c. Yes, then product of 4 comma 5, product of 2 comma 3 comma 4. Then see here, what is the output here? Yes, what is the statement here? One required positional argument C is missing. Yes, then write it here, comment. Yes, and then run it. What happened here? Only latest product should be run. Means latest function should be run in method overloading. Not this function should be run. Yes, all of you understood why it is not possible in Python? Yes, yes, all of you understood? Yes, only latest function should be run in the Python. Okay, that's why it is not possible. In overriding, okay, okay, B38. Okay, we will see. I will repeat it once again. In Python, method overriding possible. Why? Because of same method, same argument. Yes, this much should be understood. Method overriding, it is possible because having same method, same argument. Yes, method overloading means what? Create multiple method having same name but different argument. Yes, in method overriding मध्ये काय असतं? Multiple method having same name but different argument. We can pass it different argument. Yes, हे conditionच आहे method overloading. Yes, in Python not possible because only latest method should be run. Okay, method overload the method but only use latest defined method. Okay, we can define simple function def product a comma b. Yes, a comma b, p product subset p is equal to a into b. Yes, then print p. Okay, then definition product a comma b comma c. Okay, then p is equal to a into b into c. Yes, then print the p. Then we can write it product of 4 comma 5 means 1 plus 1 function. Okay, 4 comma 5. Then write it here product 2 comma 3 comma 4 in second function. Okay, then run it. What is the error here? Yes. Yes, tell me what is the error here? Yes. One required positional means C print केलं नाही. C we cannot define here one argument. Yes. Okay. Means you cannot define the product of previous function. Okay. Only we can define the function latest function. We can define the product of 2, 3, 4. Okay. All of you understood? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That's why method overloading, it is not possible. We cannot define it. Yes. ओके. आणि तुम्ही स्वतःहून मेथड ओव्हरलोडिंगचं काही क्वेश्चन विचार हे करायचे नाही. पुढच्यानी तुम्हाला विचारला तर तुम्हाला ते एक्झाम्पल थ्रू एक्सप्लेन करता आले पाहिजे. म्हणून मी मेथड ओव्हरलोडिंग घेतलेला आहे बाय डिफॉल्ट. हे तुमच्या सिलेबस मध्ये नाहीये, फक्त मी तुम्हाला सांगण्यासाठी घेतले की मेथड ओव्हरलोडिंग आहे. बट इन पायथॉन मध्ये ते आपण इम्प्लिमेंट करू शकत नाही. ओके. If you want to take the screenshot of it, take it screenshot of it. Yes. आणि जे पॉइंट तुम्हाला प्रोग्राम मध्ये अवघड जात आहे. ओके. If you open it inheritance program, then you can understood what is the information of the program. यासाठी तुम्हाला कमांड लिहायला लक्षात आलाच पाहिजे. ओके. तुम्ही कमांड लिहायचं विसरू नका. Okay, if you don't remember what is the method overloading, method overriding, take it example and take it write it in your notebook, any book. Yes, write it notebook. This is the explanation of the method overloading, method overriding, because of it is a star question. Okay, it is star question, many of time asked for interviewer. Okay. Yes. All of you understood polymorphism? Yes. For your homework, do it class program in polymorphism using class using class and method. Use take it program of polymorphism. एक कोणता तरी polymorphism चा एक एक्झाम्पल घेऊन प्रोग्राम करायचा. तुम्ही करू शकता ना? Yes. All of you do it. Program of polymorphism. Yes, we will done it depth function, length function. Yes, and class and method function you should be do. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. All of you write down, take it screenshot of it. Okay. We are going to, okay. Write down your presenting to chat box and B division. B division also, A division also. Don't make absenteeism in training program. Okay. In TPO site program, it is very important for your placement purpose. Okay. Don't make absenteeism in your training program. Okay. And okay, Vedangi and Sakshi. Okay, Rohit, Rahul. All of you. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
CR, both division CR. And give me all of 2-hour session, then 6 p.m. give me the report of how many students present. Okay, take it screenshot of it and send me the report of absenteeism and present. Okay, then we will go for it. तुम्हाला माहित नसेल तर टीपीओ पण तुमचा रेकॉर्ड चेक करतं, तरच तुम्हाला प्लेसमेंटला एलिजिबल असतात. ओके. तुम्ही तर या प्रोग्राम मध्ये ऍक्टिव्हली पार्टिसिपेट केलं तरच तुम्हाला पुढे चान्स आहे. ओके. and make it sincere, take it sincerely, and grasp how many point they are teach you. Okay, because of they are industry purpose, industry person, and so many talented. Okay, be sincere. Only one semester in your hand for your improvement, your technical and aptitude also. Okay, and be focused. If you want to do career in Java, don't waste your time, go for Java. If you want to career in Python, then go for only Python and from this language. Okay, don't waste your time. Okay, yes, all of you write down presentee into chat box. You are having 5 minutes. Write down presenting to chat box. And I suggest you do it one notebook for your Python programming separately and write down any important point in your notebook. Because of it is very important for you. Write down the notebook every and each point. Okay, then you have benefit for you. If you are having the interview any company, then you can revise the concept, how many concept you can teach it. Okay, yes, okay, all of you write down your present into chat box. Then we will stop here. All of you understood what a today's session point. We will revise the concept into next lecture. But all of you understood whatever in today's session point clear to you? Yes? Then we will close the meeting. You are having good day. Okay. Thank you very much. We will stop here. Okay. All of you write down Presenti, Sakshi, Vedangi. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Okay. We will stop here. Thank you so much.